In recent years, governments around the world have been buying more gold than ever before, and it's no coincidence. This surge in gold purchases is happening for a reason, and it directly affects your financial future. Whether you're a retiree or just planning for retirement, understanding why governments are making this move can give you key insights into how you should be thinking about your own wealth and investments. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how to take action today to protect your wealth. Now, you might be wondering, why are governments buying up gold? The truth is, gold is one of the few assets that consistently retains its value, especially in times of economic uncertainty. In fact, over the last decade, many central banks have been increasing their gold reserves at an unprecedented rate. This is a clear sign that governments are preparing for potential financial turbulence, whether it's from inflation, political instability, or global crises. By diversifying their assets into gold, they're safeguarding themselves from potential financial collapse. But what does this mean for you? If governments are preparing for the worst by acquiring gold, then it's likely you should consider doing the same. Most traditional investments like stocks, bonds, and even real estate have inherent risks that could impact your retirement savings. On the other hand, gold, especially through a gold IRA, offers a hedge against these risks, giving you stability and security that most other assets simply can't provide. You might be asking, why should I care about gold IRAs? Well, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and securing your retirement, especially in the next 2 weeks, a gold IRA could be the key to securing your financial future. Gold IRAs offer tax advantages, flexibility, and the protection of physical assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, your gold isn't exposed to the same level of volatility. In fact, even during economic downturns, gold has historically been a safe haven. I'll dive into how exactly gold IRAs work in just a moment. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings, click the first link in the description for a free guide on how you can do the same. It's designed to help you make an informed decision about your financial future, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings. Now let's talk about the reality of inflation. Inflation can erode the value of your money over time, meaning your retirement savings could lose purchasing power. While central banks buy gold to fight inflation and protect their economies, you can do the same with a gold IRA. Gold is a tangible asset that is not affected by inflation in the same way that cash or bonds are. By securing a portion of your wealth in gold, you're ensuring it keeps its value even as the dollar loses its purchasing power. But it's not just inflation you should worry about. Economic instability, whether it's due to a market crash, a recession, or geopolitical tensions, can lead to a drop in stock prices and other assets that could threaten your retirement savings. Gold, on the other hand, tends to perform well during times of market volatility. So, when governments are purchasing more gold to protect their assets, they're preparing for events that could send other assets into a downward spiral. By adding gold to your IRA, you can shield your wealth from these potential risks. At this point, you might be thinking that you don't need to make any changes to your portfolio, but consider this. If governments are taking these steps to protect their own wealth, doesn't that tell you something? If you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be the best way to preserve your wealth as you head into retirement. If you want to take advantage of these insights and start protecting your wealth, click the link in the description below to download your free gold IRA guide. It's designed to help American retirees like you navigate these changing times and secure your financial future. In conclusion, governments aren't buying gold just because they like shiny objects. They understand that gold is a stable, reliable asset that can protect their wealth from inflation, economic instability, and market volatility. By following their lead and setting up a gold IRA, you can ensure that your wealth is protected too, especially as you approach retirement. Don't wait for a crisis to hit. Take action now and make sure your wealth is secure for years to come.